In previous lecture we have discussed about 2 by 2 matrix inverse formula. So let us give one example. Let us solve one example. Okay, tell me one matrix. 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay. So this is the matrix. Okay. So this matrix I want to find inverse of the matrix. So inverse of the matrix if I want to find, directly you find determinant of A. Find first determinant of A. Whenever you want to find inverse of a matrix, first find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is what? AD minus BC. You always think this one is like this. A, B, C, D, like this. Okay, AD minus BC. So what you get here? 3 minus 8, that is equal to minus 5, which is not equal to 0. So if determinant of A is not equal to 0, this is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Every non-singular matrix have inverse. Every non-singular matrix will have inverse. So A inverse is equal to, we are going to write as A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC, and I can write as D minus B minus C A. We will write like this. So A inverse of this will be what I get here. A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. What is AD minus BC? Minus 5. Okay. And D. What is D here? 3. Minus. What is B here? 2. What is C here? 4. What is A here?
Minus 4, sir.
Yeah, minus 4. Yeah. A is here 1. So A inverse will be, you can multiply 1 by 5 this inside. So you get 3 by minus 5. Minus into minus plus 2 by 5. Minus into minus plus 4 by 5. And here you get here 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. It means that if this value A into A inverse, this will give you I. So this is the inverse of the matrix. Okay, if you have doubt, you can check the multiplication, you will get I. Okay, this is what inverse of the matrix. Why reason you are getting this formula? Why you are getting this one? Reason I will tell you. You know one thing we did. A into adjoint A is equal to formula is what? A into adjoint A. First formula, adjoint formula, king rule. हमने बोला ना first king. A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A into I. IN. Did you learn this one?
Yes.
You have learned this, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
इससे देखो यार, आपको क्या चाहिए? A inverse चाहिए, right? हाँ, लेके आता हूँ, सुनो. A into adjoint, see here, this is adjoint A. Now this determinant is a number, so I can say number can be divided. Matrix cannot be divided. Matrix cannot be divided. Number can be divided. So this determinant A I can send down, right? That is equal to what I will get here? IN. Means what is the inverse definition? A into some matrix is equal to I. Then this is the inverse of A. So A into this matrix is equal to I. So this is the inverse. So A inverse formula you are getting, that is adjoint A by determinant of A. That is the reason. Understood? Acha. So if it is this, okay, fine. You may ask me that, so why you wrote that formula directly? Why A, B, C, D is a 2 by 2 matrix, then how you got directly this formula? That's nothing but determinant of A. What is determinant of A? AD minus BC. That is I am dividing 1 by AD minus BC. Then what I am doing here? I am writing the matrix. How I am writing the matrix here? I am writing, you know that adjoint matrix, how you get? Cofactor matrix transpose. Transpose of cofactor matrix. Suppose what is the cofactor of this one? Cofactor means what? C11 is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 M11. So this will become positive. M11 means this is closed, this is closed. So what is left? D. C11 you got D. Suppose you are taking C12. This one. So this will be what you get, minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into, but this transpose will be what here, C. So you get here this value is minus C. C1. Uske baad what you have to get here, C21. C21 will be what here, that is minus 1 into minus 1 power 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into and you get C, this is closed, so B you got, so that is minus B. So C22 means what, this is positive you will get, and D here is A you get, because you are closing this one. So cofactor matrix you got. What is cofactor matrix? You got D minus C minus B A, and this transpose is adjoint. So if you transpose this one, what you get here, D minus C minus B A, that's why you got the formula. So the formula derivation is like that. So you can get any 2 by 2 matrix of inverse, you can find like this. Clear? Picture clear? So 3 by 3 also we do the same. What is the formula we use? We use the formula A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. I will explain one question, because already we have done this. Then after, there are two methods to find inverse. Okay, one is elementary transformation method and one is cofactor method. Okay, you have both the methods. Some cross it is. Okay, this is elementary elementary transformation method is important for boards. Okay, and it is not necessary that you have to do by that way in JEE. JEE any method it is applicable. Shortcut method also there. I will explain the shortcut method also. After that I will explain properties. So that will be very good. Okay, we will do JEE problems also, properties after. So if any matrix you have, like here A is equal to 1 0 1 2 0 minus 1 3. Okay, I don't take minus, let's take 3. No, let's take 2. Okay, 1. Okay, it is 2. Okay, this is a matrix. So I want to find what is the inverse of this matrix. You can find it. So what is the formula we have? We have A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. Just now I find. Suppose, first of all, whenever they ask you to find inverse of a matrix, first find the determinant of the matrix. Okay, then only you go for the next steps. So they directly go for determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix will be open how? 1 1, because this is plus, you know, this is plus minus plus. So 1, and you get what here, this row and column closed. So 0 2 1 2 minus 0 into anything is 0, I am not writing that, and plus 1 into this closed. Okay, 2 0 3 1 2 0 3 1. So what I am going to get here, 0 into 2 0 minus 1 2 is 2 minus into 0 plus 1 into 2 1s are 2 minus 0. So what I am getting, you see this here, minus 2 plus 2. I got how much? 0. Okay, therefore A inverse does not exist. DNE. A inverse DNE. DNE means? DNE pata hai na? So DNE not exist. Okay. So why we not exist? Because A is a singular matrix. A is a which matrix? Singular matrix. Now if it is non-singular matrix, then it is exist, we will find it. Okay, that method already I explained. If still you want means I will give one example. Otherwise we will start elementary operation, elementary method. Then after we will start main topic is properties. Okay.